So in this video I'll be showing you how to change the BFT Mitto gate or remote control. It really can be simpler, so you simply turn the unit over and here there's a screw. I've taken this out just for speed of the video. So simply unscrew the screw here and then the control panel will actually just break gently apart. So with the back upright, simply lever it off and now we can access the battery. So once you've got to this stage, you can then simply remove the battery and then replace it with a new one. I do find that sometimes it's always best just to gently squeeze these contacts together because I find the weight of the battery can sometimes make it rattle inside. So the battery is a 23A and you basically, once you've got the new battery, to replace it you do it exactly the same way but in reverse. So simply place your battery in and then take your back case. This then locates at the top first and then clips down and then simply place your screw back into the back of the unit. The controller will then be ready to use. Thank you for watching this video.